To get started, install a compiler, like GCC or Clang, then make a file ending in .cpp and include any headers you plan to use. The next thing to do is to create a main function, which is where the code executes. Given that the main function returns an int, return 0 is success, and return 1 is fail. Variables in C++ are declared with a type, followed by a name and value. If you want to use the string type, include the string header. Otherwise, create an array of characters. Like any other programming language, C++ has if statements, for and while loops, functions, and arrays. C++ also has the following concepts, like structs, dynamic memory allocation, pointers, and classes. After writing your program, open the terminal and compile it. Thanks for watching, and follow for more.